Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalen Mitchell, also known as Natural Rain, and today I'm going to be showing you guys, can you guess, an updated blowout routine. I don't blow out my hair all the time, but sometimes I like to do stretch styles, so you know, this comes in handy. I do want to say thank you to Carol's Daughter for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be taking you from the shower all the way until my hair is blow dried and just showing you guys the entire blowout process. So I guess I could go ahead and get right into the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm starting on dry old hair that might be a little crusty slash dusty, but that's okay. We're gonna get everything figured out today. The scalp not really doing what it's supposed to do, that's cool too. So I'm gonna start off by completely saturating my hair with water. Once my hair is saturated, I'm gonna go in with the Wash Day Delight shampoo. This bad boy, it says water to foam for a reason. It sits in that bottle like water, but it does not act like water. It actually uses micellar technology to go ahead and lift away that dirt. So as you see me applying it to my scalp, it just looks like water. It's not really doing anything until it does. Y'all see those suds, right? It's starting to lather, and I do want to mention this shampoo is sulfate free. It's not drying out my hair, but I always get that very clean scalp feeling, so I really just want to concentrate on my scalp. And this is a shampoo that I can start working down the rest of my hair, which is crazy. I don't normally do that. I'm acting abnormal. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse the shampoo out thoroughly, let it rinse through the rest of my hair that it may not have gotten. Boom. Now look at that scalp. I had to show you the scalp. You know I had to do it. Now I'm going in with the Deep Moisture Mask. This smells so good, y'all. And it's so thick. Y'all know I love a thick deep conditioner. Look at that. I'm just gonna apply it thoroughly, and what I'm gonna use this for is to help me detangle. This is why we need the slip, because I often skip the conditioner part. I just go straight to deep conditioning. Look at that slip, and you know I'm about to show off. I am gonna leave this deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out, but y'all gonna see me show off. Look at that. I can't make this up, on top of the fact that it smells so good. Hey guys, I'm back from washing and deep conditioning my hair. I went ahead and rinsed out all the deep conditioner. Let me tell y'all, that deep conditioner smells so good, okay? And it lingers. I always make sure to rinse out all of the deep conditioner, and I still smell it, and it just smells like sweet and not like a fruity smell, but it just smells good. And then my hair is just super soft and moisturized. I always like to make sure that I moisturize my hair with a deep conditioner. So I like to deep condition before I use any type of heat styling product because I need a base of moisture. Okay, so now I'm going to section my hair off. I'm gonna be bold today. I'm just gonna do 2 sections, and I'm gonna take my water bottle and spray it down. So the leave-in I'm gonna be using is the Goddess Strength leave-in. Looks like this, y'all. This leave-in is bomb.com. When I tell you, it packs on the moisture. Like, this leave-in right here is bomb. I really like this leave-in, y'all. This is not my first time trying it. It's not my second time trying it. The first time I tried it was way back in January, and I was shook. It's just all types of moisturizing, y'all. You're gonna see me using this leave-in a lot more because it is just that moisturizing. It was love at first try. I don't know if you guys remember, but in January I did a vlog, and it was all about, you know, the Carol's Daughter photo shoot. And let me tell y'all, that was the first time that I tried out this leave-in, and I wanted to take it home with me right then. I actually was in New York, so I couldn't take the bottle with me because of, you know, the rules on the plane, but they sent it to me, of course. And when they sent it, like, that was the first thing I opened. I was like, I gotta use this right away. So it's bomb, y'all. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the leave-in on the other side, but when I tell y'all, it's bomb. I was just thinking, you know, I'm talking about, oh yeah, I went on this photo shoot with Carol's daughter. I'm gonna show you guys some of the behind the scenes clips if you missed them, because I did upload a vlog, but if you missed them, I'm gonna go ahead and insert them right here so you guys can see a little bit of behind the scenes.
Which includes Carol's daughter.
I just finished shooting the wet portion, and now I'm about to style my hair with the Carol's Daughter's products. I know this is a weird angle. They're still shooting back here. But yeah, I'm about to style everything, so see how that works. So like always, all the products that I mentioned will be linked down below in the description box, but next you're just gonna go in with a heat protectant, spray it down. After you spray the heat protectant, you're just gonna use a brush to make sure that it's evenly distributed. All the product, the leave-in, everything you've put in there so far, it should be gliding like butter. You see this? Like butter. If it's not gliding like butter, use smaller sections, use more manageable sections for you. But this is just, look, it's smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the actual blow drying process, but all the product is in there. My hair is protected, my hair is moisturized. Let's get it. So the process is pretty much the same. You can use whatever dryer you want. I've used several different dryers. You know, I'll try to have them linked down below for you guys, but I'm gonna use this bad boy here today. And I'm going to suction this and blow dry it. If you're curious, I have it on level 6. It goes from 1 to 7, so I have it on 6, which is pretty powerful. Okay, so you see how it's starting to stretch my hair out, but you can still see the curls in there a little bit. I just usually take the brush and then I'm gonna go through and brush again. Now, remember, your hair should be properly moisturized, so this shouldn't cause any type of breakage, because that's what we don't want. It ain't worth it if you gotta break your hair off to do it, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and go again. I just wanna make sure that I'm getting more of the kinks out. So after blow drying, this is what I'm looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue the same process, making sure that I have my leave-in on all of my sections. The one I'm using is the Goddess Strength leave-in. And then I'm going to apply my heat protectant and brush my hair, use the blow dryer, brush my hair a little more, use the blow dryer again, and this is what I got. So I'm gonna continue with the process. Y'all know the drill at this point. But look at what we have here. Came to slay. You already knew that. I'm gonna just twist this bad boy up to keep this hair out of the way of the other hair, and then I'm just gonna keep on doing the process. It's crazy because as your hair gets longer, the twists take longer. This is just for me to get it out my way. It's definitely time for me to trim my ends, so I think that might be coming up soon. I think I'm gonna film that for y'all too. Remember to start from your ends and work your way up, just to make sure if there are any tangles, you catch them early so you're not snapping and breaking your hair off. We want to blow out our hair, but we want to do it in a healthy way. So I'm on my last section and I almost forgot how much of an arm workout this is. You know, just prepare yourself. Before it's time to blow dry, prepare yourself, because you gonna need some preparation. All this arm motion we got going on here, but it's gonna be worth it when your hair is nice and stretched. I think I'm gonna do a trim. I'm gonna get everything together. Now look at what we have here. So I'm gonna take out these twists and brush it out, and we're gonna see what we're looking like. Just a whole lot of hair everywhere is what we looking like, but that is to be expected. Be gentle. We are not trying to rip through our hair. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know the drill. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I do just want to say thank you to Carol's Daughter again for sponsoring this video, cause inches, moisture, inches. That's where moisture and inches meet. I'm never gonna get over it. It's large, it's in charge. It's fluffy, it's all that. And y'all might be saying, girl, where are you going? I'm not going anywhere, but every once in a while, you know, you just want to give like a pop of color. I'm feeling red today. You know, my hair's red, lips red, shirt's red. It's a vibe. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.